Thank you for viewing Student Employment's training on how to create a hiring proposal for a student you wish to hire. You can also find all of the information from our videos in our user's guide for hiring managers. In the Applicants tab of the posting you are hiring for, select the applicant you'd like to hire by clicking their last name. Please note the applicant status must be in Recommend for Hire. If not, please make sure to disposition your applicants before continuing with the hiring process. A different video is available for assistance on that topic. As long as the student's status is set to Recommend for Hire, you will be able to click Start Hiring Proposal in the upper right corner of the page. If at this point you receive a warning that the student already has a hiring proposal in process, please contact Student Employment at gwsc@gwu.edu for assistance. Now, under Reason for Selection of Candidate, please type why this applicant was the best selection among all candidates. The actual wage per hour, select the hourly wage the student will be paid in this position. The actual wage per hour must fall within the wage range provided. The proposed start date should be the anticipated start date that you would like to have your student begin working. Please recall, students may not begin working under any circumstance until the hiring process has been completed and you have been notified by Student Employment. Start dates will be adjusted accordingly to when the hiring process is complete. For hours per week, type in the approximate or average numbers of hours per week your student employee will work in an average work week. Next, select the type of proposal. Most departments will only ever need to select standard student hire. Please do not select a different one unless you have coordinated with Student Employment to use one of the other options for a specific purpose. For does your department require finance director approval? Select yes or no based on what your finance director has communicated to you. If you select yes, your hiring proposal will go to the finance director in your division or school for approval before being routed to Student Employment for approval. If you select no, your hiring proposal will be routed directly to Student Employment for approval. If you are not sure whether your department requires finance director approval, ask your finance director. Notes are optional and will only be seen by Student Employment. You do not need to write anything unless specifically directed to do so. Then click Next. If your department requires any special hiring documents, you may add them here. Otherwise, click Save and Continue. Once you are back to the Hiring Proposal main page, go to the Take Action on Hiring Proposal in the top right corner of the screen. Select Submit, move to Initial Student Employment. Your hiring proposal will be submitted for approval and processing. Please recall, students may not begin working under any circumstances until the hiring process has been completed and you have been notified by Student Employment. Start dates will be adjusted accordingly to when the hiring process is completed. View our other video on how to track the status of a hiring proposal you've submitted. For more instructional videos or assistance with using the Student Employment Talent Management System, visit our website, check out our user's guide, or contact us at gwsc@gwu.edu. Thanks for watching.